When do you think about graphic design, what comes first in your mind? It could be a logo, a pamphlet design, vector illustration, social media post, visiting card, magazine cover, or something else entirely. And you know what? You would be right. Let's understand what graphic design is all about. Graphic design is the process of creating visual content that helps to communicate messages with an audience. The art of visual communication is essential, especially for brands looking to connect with their target audience, and graphic design is the perfect solution. Brands take advantage of graphic design in their logos, marketing materials, ads, website graphics, and even internal documents and email communications. To further understand how graphic design works, you need to understand the different elements that make up a design. These graphic design elements include color, typography, line, shape, size, space, texture, hierarchy. There are also a number of principles that graphic designers need to follow in order for their designs to be effective and grab attention. You may have heard these called Gestalt design principles. Some of these principles include simplicity, proximity, continuity, symmetry. Putting together all of the different elements and principles can turn a design into a professional-looking graphic. While graphic designers by trade have often been trained on these principles, having a basic understanding can help anyone with little to no design skills create an eye-catching visual design. Hopefully you have understand what is graphic design. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon as well for related videos, and thank you.